If you're still generating every AI shot one at a time, you're wasting hours you don't need to. There's a faster way already out there. Take one storyboard image and turn it into a complete multi-shot sequence in a single pass. No more generating shot after shot on its own. No more prompting, hoping, and starting over when it doesn't match. Today, I'm walking you through the full process, building a character reference from your own photos, turning that into a storyboard the AI actually sticks to, and then converting that storyboard into a finished sequence all in one sitting. Is it flawless? No. Is it a massive time saver? Absolutely. Let's get into it. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. Build your character reference. Open ChatGPT and upload the character reference sheet prompt builder. That's your guide for this whole step. All you have to do is describe your character and it'll build the reference prompt for you. Or, if you'd rather use yourself or someone real, just upload a few photos as your reference instead. Either way, let it generate your reference sheet prompt. And once you're happy with the result, download it. That's your consistency anchor for every panel to come. If you want your character to stay consistent across every shot, this step is non-negotiable. As you can see, you generated 3 to 4 clear photos front-facing, a side profile, the back, and one medium shot facing the camera. Good lighting, plain background, nothing fancy. Think of it as the "this is the person" guide the AI checks against. Without it, don't be surprised if your character's face quietly shifts from panel to panel. Step 2. Build the storyboard. Now the storyboard. Take the storyboard prompt builder and open it up alongside your character reference images. Upload both into whichever LLM you've got open, tell it your style, your scene, and what happens in each moment. Then wait while it puts the storyboard prompt together. Once it's generated, copy it. Head over to Higgsfield's image section, paste that storyboard prompt in, choose GPT as your model, and tweak the settings to match the look you're going for before you generate. Quick tip: generate the storyboard at the highest quality your tool allows. A sharper storyboard consistently produces a better final video. Once it's generated, run a fast 3-part check. Does it read as one continuous story? Is the style consistent panel to panel? Does the character still look like the character? If one panel breaks style or drifts off model, don't regenerate the whole board. Fix that panel alone. Match this panel to the others. Same style, same face, no text on the image. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into video. Head to the video section of Higgsfield and open the Seedance model. That's what we're using to bring the storyboard to life. Upload the finished storyboard, and don't be afraid to tweak the settings or adjust a couple of parameters if the first pass doesn't land quite right. Your video prompt can stay short here. The storyboard is already doing the heavy lifting. Something like, use this storyboard to generate a full multi-shot sequence. Keep the same style, no on-screen text. If you want sound, keep that simple too. Real, diegetic sound only. No background score. Honesty moment. The output won't match your storyboard frame for frame. It'll hit the major beats, but camera angles may shift slightly. That's expected, not a failure. Two different styles, same method. Same workflow, two completely different moods. Simple everyday moment, mom making pancakes at sunrise. Calm, quiet, warm morning light. Beats. Kitchen still dark except one light on, cracking eggs and mixing batter. First pancake hitting the pan, a flip close-up, steam rising off the stack, a final wide shot of the table set in soft morning light. UGC-style skincare creator. Casual, handheld, talking to camera energy like a real product review. Beats. Morning bathroom mirror selfie shot. Holding up the product to camera. Close-up applying it to skin. A before-after style comparison shot. Wrapping up with a natural, direct-to-camera recommendation. Same 3-step method underneath both. One proves it handles quiet, intimate pacing. The other proves it handles fast, talking head-style content. Real talk tip. Small details are the first thing to drift. shot really matters, generate it twice and keep the stronger take. That one habit alone will noticeably raise your hit rate. If you want to go from a single idea to a full sequence without the usual trial and error, this workflow is worth setting up once and reusing constantly. I'm dropping the exact prompts I used, plus a checklist, inside AiTLDR. Links below. And if this was useful, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.